Hi ladies, this is Patty Petrie with Makeup P31 Woman. My business is about God first, beauty, and encouragement. Today I'm going to give you a short word of encouragement and then we are going to learn how to use lip liner. This is the month of lips with Younique, and so this is the last Saturday of the month. We've got one more week of March and our special, so I wanted to go out with a bang. All right, so before we get into that, let's read a verse of scripture. This is Psalms chapter 30, verse 5. His favor lasts a lifetime. Weeping may remain for a night, but rejoicing comes in the morning. So ladies, as daughters of the King, we have our mighty God's favor, and it is not just for the lifetime here, but it is eternal. So be encouraged. God's favor rests upon you, even when it seems like it doesn't. So be encouraged. All right, so today I want to show you how to apply lip liner and why do we even need lip liner. Lip liner is important because it is going to give your lips a clean look. They're going to be very defined, and it just looks much better when you have a lip liner in addition to your lipstick. And actually you can wear lip liner without lipstick. So the first thing that I want to show you that is very important for you to do is to scrub your lips. And I use this lip pencil scrub or stick scrub, but you can also get a little pot of lip scrub. It has little sugar granules in it. And this is going to remove all the dead skin before you even start. So I just use my finger. And then I'm going to take a tissue and get all of that off. So that my lips are smooth. You want to start with a clean slate, and I think I need another tissue. Okay. So once I get all that off, then I'm going to use, today I'm using my lip mask. You can also use a lip gloss, or you can use the Hottie lip plumper. And you take just a tiny little bit out of the pot. And moisturize your lips. And this is going to make everything much easier to apply, and it keeps your lips hydrated, which is important. Okay, now that my lips are scrubbed and hydrated, I'm going to go in with just a little bit of pressed powder foundation. This is going to help to set the lipstick and the lip liner and to keep it from bleeding. Okay, now today I am going to use some warm colors. I typically wear cool colors because they look better on me, but I wanted to demonstrate this because I know some of you like the warm colors. So I am using, first of all, this lip liner is Patience. And I'm going to start by drawing an X. And I'm going just a little bit above the lip line. And then I'm going to come down here and start in the center of my lower lip. And when you go below just a little bit, it makes your lips look fuller. And then I'm going to use short strokes to go up. Now, another thing that you can do, first of all, see how that gives my lips shape? They automatically already look fuller. But another thing that you can do is take your lip liner and just kind of fill in on your lips. And then rub your lips together. Okay, and that's going to help set your lipstick as well. Now I have a little trio here that's included in the bundle this month of 3 different colors. I'm using the Pinkling Star. These are just little minis. This is a really pretty neutral color. Okay, so this is the Pinkling Star that I've used. I want to show you the other colors that come in this little set. This is called Plum Fairy. It's kind of a purpley color. And all 3 of these colors are warm, so if you like warm colors, you'll really like these. And this other color is called Mary Cherry. It's a red. And those are included in the bundle for the month where you can save, where you mix and match, and also the lip liner. So once you get your lipstick on, if you want to step it up a notch, then you can use the Hottie Lip Plumper. And there you have it. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Mwah.